Okay, so let's have a look at section number 6 of lesson 1. So we are going to have a look at the word order. We've touched on this before in the previous section number 5, but we are going to reinforce that. So in Spanish, the natural word order is the opposite of the English language. So for example, in the English language, we have the black cat. So we have the adjective black before the noun. In Spanish, that would not be the natural word order in which people speak. So in colloquial Spanish, people would talk with the noun first, using the noun first, and then the adjective. And as such, we would say el gato negro. And that is all you need to know to talk in Spanish and make conversation in an easy way.